Hi baddies, I see another baddie is in the room. Welcome back to my channel. It's Kilo Key here, and as you can tell by the title, this is how I do my nails at home using the Makartt nail extension gel polygel kit. Super affordable kit off Amazon. It comes with nail dual forms. It also comes with a brush and picker. That is the spatula side and the brush side. This is what you'll use to help build the polygel on the nail. It comes with a beautiful file that I've already used. Clear, bright white. Let's see. Natural pink. Let's see. Dark pink, which is what I'm using. Light pink. And a misty rose. It comes with base gel, top gel, and some instructions. So also, you would have to get your own UV nail lamp, but I will leave the link down below. You're going to need some alcohol and a little glass jar because this kit did not come with any slip solution. This is going to help you move your polygel around. So what I am doing now is I'm just picking out nail forms that fit my nail. You want to make sure you pick out the nail forms and size the nail forms before you start to build the polygel on them, because you don't want it to be too small where the nail won't fit. You would much rather have a bigger nail because you can definitely file the nail down. So go ahead and size those dual forms to the correct size. And after you go ahead and size your dual forms, there they are. I'm going to take my polygel, that is the dark pink that I said earlier. This is what I'm using. You want to put the gel in the dual form, have a nice coating of gel in the dual form. You're going to take your brush, dip it into your alcohol, and then you're going to literally build the nail. You're going to build your nail. My technique is just to pat up and pat in. That's been the technique that's been a little bit easier for me. I've been practicing, as you can tell, because my file is used. So the technique that helps me is dipping my brush, dipping it on the paper towel, and patting it in. Make sure you get your side walls and make sure everything is even. After I have the gel all over the nail, I'll take my brush, dip it back into my alcohol, and start to smooth everything out. You want everything to be smooth. You don't want anything to be clumpy because you want a nice feel over your nails. So just take your time with this. Don't rush through it. You know, just make sure you get every inch of the nail that you want covered with that gel and make sure it is smooth. So after you're done filling your nails, you're going to take your base gel. This is what's going to help your nail stick to your natural nail. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that base gel to my fingers. I like to apply the base gel after my polygel nails have been filled. I don't know, the technique just holds better. I feel like when they dry and I let them sit, they don't stick. So I like to put the base gel on right before I put on the filled dual forms. I'm going to sit that hand in my UV light for 60 seconds. I'm going to let the base gel cure. I'm going to let it cure for 60 seconds. That is what my nails look like, a beautiful, fresh, clear manicure, honey. And then I'm just going to take the nail forms and I'm just going to apply them on my nail. Once you have them on your nail, you want to press them down just a little bit, apply a little bit of pressure because you don't want any spillage. If you do get some spillage, this is what you would do. You would take your brush, you would dip it in alcohol, wipe it on your paper towel, and then you would just start to get that gel off of the side walls of your nail. You would just clean it up, and that's how you will fix that. So as you can see, I'm just applying light pressure just so it can stick to the nail fully. Make sure your nails are as straight as possible because this kit is messy, but it's super easy once you're able to control it. So this is my last nail. I'm just placing that pinky nail, applying that pressure. This is what they look like on my nails. Then I'm going to cure my nails for 90 seconds. I like to cure the nails once they're on for 90 seconds just for security, period. So this is what they're like after you cured them, and the trick to get them off. So now you have to get the nail form off. So the little sides, you're gonna wiggle the sides, and then you're gonna lift it until it pops off. And you're gonna do that for every single nail. Now this is the hardest part about this kit. That's it. But you can definitely take tweezers. Use the tweezers to get the nail forms off. So just wiggle the sides a little bit and it should pop off. If you need a little bit of reinforcement, girl, get them tweezers. I had to do that on my less dominant hand when I was doing my right hand. So yeah, just wiggle and pop that hoe off. Pop it off. So once you get all the dual forms off, this is what the nails are looking like, but this is not the last step. What you're going to have to do now is take that beautiful e-file that they have given you in that kit, and you're going to start filing your nails to your liking. This is where your shaping come in. This is where you get extra this is where you get extra precision, honey. I was talking too fast for my own good. But this is where you're going to get your nails precise. You're going to start shaping it in whatever shape you want. I just went with a beautiful tapered square because I'm a tapered square kind of bitch. Like, I love the ballerina coffin, but I don't like those nails unless they're extremely long. So I'm a tapered, real tapered type of bitch. So I'm just gonna even out my nails, and you're just gonna file your nails until you feel like they are, you know, the desired nail that you want. So after you're done filing your nails, you are going to take your Top It Off gel, and you are going to put that gel on your nails. Also, when you get done filing, either take a lint-free wipe or wash your hands. So all of that dust and debris can get off of your nails. And that's what I did. I went ahead and washed my nails. I don't know, I just always wash my hands after they get done filing it when I used to go to the nail salon. So I just naturally go ahead and wash my nails, wash my hands. But I'm still taking that Top It Off gel, and I am just applying that gel to all of my nails. Make sure you don't miss a nail, honey, because this is the most This is the important step. This is what's gonna seal it off and take us there, okay? I'm gonna put my nails back into my UV nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then we are done, honey. Super affordable, super quick and easy. I really, really love using this nail kit. This will probably be my new technique for my nails once I master it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.